Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Thursday, June 15th, 2023, 9 p.m. Now, this is a Gulf Coast sea breeze. A number of fan companies produce this fan by the same OEM. I've seen them labeled as Demco, D.E.M.C. What else? D.E.M.C. They were available in 36-inch, 48-inch, and 56-inch configurations. I actually have one of each. I'm always on the lookout for these, so especially if I can find one new in the box and or brown. There was a gardening supply store, a nursery when I was a kid that had my dad would go for his gardening materials, and they had three of these in the 56-inch configuration. Two brown ones on each side, and then there was a part in the middle with a high ceiling, and there was one white one. The white one's long gone. That's been replaced by a chandelier, some kind of light. But the two brown ones are still there. So I've been trying to get those for like 20 years now, but they don't want to get rid of them because they still work, they still spin. So anyway, I've hitched this up to a solid state control. So without further ado, I'm actually going to unplug the Crompton Greaves. Let's take it for a test spin, shall we? I actually acquired this fan in a number of years ago, 6 or 7 years ago. One of the Fanimation meets from Spiffy, and on the agreement, he was going to try to find my canopies, which he had left. So if you're watching this, Spiffy, please, if you find the canopies, set them aside for me, because it just doesn't quite look right without them, which is why I have the fan at this angle instead of from a side view or a semi-side view. Now this does appear to be as fast as it's going now for some reason. I don't know why exactly, but I'm going. You know what I'm going to try to do? I'm going to try to plug it directly in instead of using the solid state control. See if that might make a difference. Right, try this out here. Okay, now that's much better. Must have been just the way it reacted to the solid state control. Oh yeah, that's moving plenty of air. Okay, now for the spin down. I would like to thank you folks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.